Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I look so funny right now with only one of my brows drawn on, but that's because I'm going to be trying out the Persona Brow Gel. Well, actually the full name of this is the Persona Cosmetics SwipeUp Brow Gel that I got in my June 2022 Boxycharm premium box. So that unboxing video is up here on YouTube if you haven't seen it yet. But this brow gel has a retail value of $19 and I just love trying out brow products. I am so obsessed with filling in my brows. I mean, how can I not be when it looks so different? But I always use a brow gel after filling in my brows with a pencil. And so I figured I would try this out on top of the pencil like I normally would, but also since it is tinted, seeing how it looks in just a bare brow. So this comes in only 4 shades. I have it in the shade Warm Brown, which is probably not the best shade for me compared to the other options they have, which is, you know, Cool Brown or Taupe Blonde. But I think when I chose this on Boxycharm, there were limited colors left. And so this is cruelty free and nice packaging here. Let's see what the wand looks like. Oh, I like this. It gets tapered and it's small. And when it comes to brow gels, I like a small wand because I don't want it to be too messy. I want it to be very precise. And so I'm just going to go ahead and start brushing it through the brow without the product, and let's see what happens and how it looks. Ooh. Okay, this is actually looking really good. The shade seems fine. It doesn't necessarily look too warm. Like when I think of warm, I'm like, is it gonna look too orange? But no, it's a nice kind of neutral brown that's matching my brow hairs pretty well. And so as you saw, I was just brushing up and now I'm brushing over, and I really like how that looks. That made such a difference in how my brow looks. If I liked the shape of my brow already, this is all I would need to fill it in, because it really did fill in the brows so nicely. But it looks so natural. Like it coated all of the brow hairs, but it doesn't look like product in the brow. Like it doesn't leave any flakiness. It is not clumpy at all on the brow hair. So it kind of made them the right color to match my hair and just made them look more full. Wow. I really like how that looks. So this does claim to shape, tint, and set the brows in one swipe with flexible medium hold, so that it's not stiff or crunchy. That's another thing that I'm very picky about with my brow products. But wow. Okay, this is so nice. It really does help like define each brow hair to make it look so naturally full. And let's see. I mean, yeah, no transfer. They're staying nicely in place, but yeah, it's not crunchy. This is awesome. I'm so excited to see how it's going to be on top of the pencil, because if I like it this much alone, I'm hoping that I will love it with the right shape to my brow. So let's see. And yeah, this wand is really easy to work with. Brushes through every brow without clumping. And I love like it doesn't apply too much product. Like you can go over and build it up, but it doesn't go on clumpy. Yeah, that looks great. It makes the brow just look so perfectly full. And I am so pleasantly surprised by the color. That can make such a difference in how I feel about a brow product, because I just really want my brows to look natural, but if it's the wrong color, it's not going to look natural at all. And this really does such a good job of making the brow hairs still look natural, coating them, making them look more full, and giving that hold. Wow. This is everything I look for in a brow gel. It might be a little darker than I normally do my brows, but I feel like that works. And I think I made this brow a little bit thicker than I normally do, but I also feel like that's more of the trend now too. So I'm just really happy with this. Wow. I seriously have no complaints about this brow gel. So if you've tried it out, I would love to hear in the comments down below what you think of it. But you can get this at Ulta and it has really good ratings. And I totally agree with that. It's just all around exactly what I want in my brow gel. And I am so picky, like if you can see the product in the brow, I'm not gonna like it. If it's crunchy, crumbly, flakes off, no way. But this is just everything I look for. Yay! So happy to have this in my collection now. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.